Okay, hello everyone. Okay, this is the preview before FOMC data will release. Okay, another 3 hours from now, maybe, or 2 hours from now, something. Okay, the data from FOMC will release soon. So, okay, as for now, I will share my view. Okay, you need to know the main direction. Okay, actually, since yesterday, we buy. Okay, today is Wednesday. Oh, since Monday. Okay, we buy but hit SL, and then last setup on Monday hit SL, right? But still fly. And yesterday we focus 5 setup on buy here until fly around. From here we buy until here around 200 pips. Okay, so my TP 1973 already touched, but you need to know the direction first. Okay, we can use the line chart, and then we already know the weekly. This is the weekly. Okay, weekly already break out. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, that's why yesterday I'm focused on buy, and at daily, yes, absolutely, this is the support daily. That's why gold fly yesterday. Okay, and today we sell here. Okay, we sell here around 6 or 7 hours. Okay, waiting the game. We sell from here, and then 3 times. Okay, 3 times gold falling down around 100 pips. And then, okay, why I'm not giving buy, but I personal trading at another account, I trade buy. Okay, I'm trading buy because in trading you can buy, you can sell. You need to know the concept. No straight. Okay, if selling don't have any straight direction, waterfall straight around 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, no. Okay, if have rejection or reach 100 pips, confirm have retracement. Okay, first you need to know the structure breakout. Okay, on H1. Okay, on H1, structure breakout. And second one, we have trend line from here until here. Okay, this is trend line buy. TL buy. And this is TL breakout. Okay, so the sell, always you need to know scalping. Why? Because the direction, the resistance ada the breakout. Okay, and soon gold will break out. Okay, so the next destination may be here or here. Okay, if this resistance also break out, the answer is gold will keep fly. Okay, so I already share the reason why buy. Actually, the previous before gold fly, I already told you. Okay, I share with you why gold fly start from here and then pull back. I already share with you. Gold will respect this zone or will break. So the answer is respect the EE setup. Okay, EE setup on H1 and M5. Okay, now we need to know, we need to learn. Okay, this is structure breakout. Resistance, pullback, breakout. Okay, and then pull back again to take the price before fly. Okay, this is what we call RBS. Resistance becomes support. Okay, next, you already find first E at H1. Okay, this is first E. So we need to find higher time frame and lower time frame. So the lower time frame we can find at M5. Okay, now you can see this is engulfing on M5. Clear? This is lower time frame engulfing. So you just marking the zone. So this is the zone buy. So this is the confirmation, which is W. Once have W set up or support to support, double S support, yes, absolutely, that's why gold fly. So what next? I'm waiting for the breakout. Okay, I'm waiting for breakout. I'm not trade, but I just marking. Okay, I'm not sharing the signal because we already gain 100 pips. No need to overtrade, okay? Because we already gain big profit. Okay, but if you want add your profit, you need to learn or just try to self trade, because sometimes I just focus on my investor account. Okay, example here. Okay, I already gained $600 for today. So why I need to keep trade? Because I already gain my target. I already buy and sell. So this is the result. So this is the today and weekly. Okay, this is weekly $3,000, and on monthly I get around $7,000. $7,600. So my capital as for now 9,300. Okay, almost $10,000, but I will make sure if not today, maybe tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, maybe on Friday. Okay, so if gold break, the answer is we can focus on buy. Because the trainer is respect. Okay, and this is EE setup, SBR, and setup breakout. So have a lot of confirmation here. Okay, so next is if breakout, the answer if gold can fly until this level. Okay, if breakout, will keep fly. Okay, but if respect, gold keep falling, will falling down here or here. Okay, this is last. Okay, last. If break, the answer is fly 2,000 maybe, price 2,000, or make a new higher high. Okay, so you guys already know the direction, know the confirmation. So on FOMC, you need to wait. What will happen? Will respect or will break? If break or fly, will fly 100 pips. If falling, will falling around 200 pips something. Okay, or on FOMC will manipulate, which is spike up and then falling down, or spike down will follow the direction, which is buy. So if you are waiting for the spike up, maybe waiting here and then fly. Okay, that's all you need to know. In trading, you can buy, you can sell, you can buy, you can sell, you can buy, you can sell. No need to focus sell. If have confirmation continuation, you can follow the sell. But if have setup buy, you need to follow buy. Respect the setup, respect the confirmation. Okay, so just focus on knowledge. Just learn from new ebook, from my ebook. Just download from my website. Just try learn. Okay, I know you guys already gain your target. So if already achieve your target, no need to overtrade. Okay, the main in trading is you need to know when to stop the trade when you achieve your target. Okay, that's all. I hope you guys learn something.